Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm an independent UK stamping up demonstrator, and welcome to my channel. I'm just going to do a quick video to launch my competition. So because it's my Stampaversary this week, I've decided to do a giveaway, and the giveaway will be a choice of either 2 kits from our kit collection, or a punch bundle or a die bundle. So you can choose this from any of the current catalogues available. So what I'd like you to do is, in the description, tell me what you prefer to use. Do you prefer dies or do you prefer punches? Now, a lot of the time I prefer punches for when I'm stamping sentiment. So this like double oval punch, I really like that because it's quick and easy. And also here I've got the bow punch. So this is the one with you've got leaves and you've got little buds. So that's nice for when you wanted to do some quick leaves on a card. And then the dies, I like using the oh, I've got one here. So this is the celebration tags dies. So I like using the dies for things like this. And it just all depends if I want to cut, if it's quicker for me to cut something out rather than using a die. And it all depends how intricate the dies are. So like these ones here are the meadow dies. So these are really nice to use, either cutting them out of a card, lightweight card, and colouring them in and stamping them in, or in the past I've used vellum to make them a little bit more I'm trying to think of the word, like see-through and light, really light, so you can see through them basically. So yeah, so I do have different preferences depending on the stamp set, whether it's dies or punches. Now the other night I was showing you the Christmas gifting tag kit, and what I was thinking was, we've got the deer punch. So if I get some designer series paper, so this is the Lights Aglow. I've been using this a little bit, so I could, if I can position it right, I might not be able to do it with this because of the other shapes. Oops, I've got this stuck. Because there's little bits that have come out, then it's just got stuck. Come on. So yes, I was thinking about the fact that I could do the same with these tags. Probably not that one, but I'm sure there's other tags or other punches that I can use to do this. So I'll have to have a think, definitely. But that's rather sweet, the little deer. I do like that. That stamp set is the, I don't think what it was called. Oops. Peaceful Deer. So there is a stamp set for that, and that's in the annual catalogue. But yeah, it's nice to have a bit of a choice. And I always find that punches are great for kids. They're easy for kids to use. And I have both die cutting machines. I have the mini, and it all depends on what I'm doing, whether I'll use the bigger die machine or my mini, but I've got them both just for that purpose. So yeah, it's I think it all depends on what I'm making before I can decide what I'm going to be using. This card, by the way, is from the Cozy and Bright kit, and I've done some live videos this week, and that's one of the cards. Well, that's a card design from the Cozy and Bright kit, so that's really nice, a lovely kit. Right, so I will leave the competition open till, or the offer open until the 5th of November. So all you have to do is put in the comments whether you prefer dies or punches, and I will draw a winner around the 5th of November. The other offer I've got on the moment until the 31st of October is if you want to put an order through my shop, then I will refund your postage and packaging. So, and that's until the 31st of October. So if you want to order something, and then you can get free postage and packaging. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you next time. Bye bye.